The 2008 European sovereign debt crisis. Firstly, it occurred in 2008 following the collapse of European financial institutions and expansion government debt in European countries. This crisis gave impact to several countries such as Greece, Portugal, Ireland, and Spain. The entire international banking system collapsed and the government was unable to save banks, so investors' confidence in European economies and businesses was significantly ruined. The IMF agreed to give financial support as long as Greece promises to raise taxes and cut budget. Challenge: Muslims have to pay Hajj, which is zakat and tax. Meanwhile, non-Muslims do not pay zakat. Impose taxes to make social responsible and fulfill human as well as for need and for country administration. Tax must based on Islamic law. For example, tax collected fairly and taxation is paid for the problems country, not for evil deed. Conclusion: the Islamic system places equal emphasis on the ethical, moral, social and public interest dimensions to enhance quality and fairness as well as the role of the state. That's all from us. Thank you.